Hey guys, Aaron with Help Me DIY. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to remove the wheels of a 1997 Lotus Elise S1. This is what your standard wheels look like. They have 4 lug nuts and they are 19 millimeters. Now you may notice that this one has a little key on it. I'm going to refer you to the owner's manual here where it shows that one of those 4 is a security wheel nut and it is splined. And for aesthetics, it's got a little cap cover over it to make it look more like the other ones. And in the car, you should have this special tool to remove that. And the tool should be located right here. Lotus calls this little piece a windscreen buttress. And I recently learned how to access it. So you have to get in under here and you reach underneath the steering wheel. And you will see a little lever that you're going to pull down and it is going to release that. That lever is really hard to see, but it looks a lot like this lever right here that's used to open the trunk. With that opened, you can now open the buttress, and because Lotus is awesome and weight saving, you get this little tiny rod that is clipped in right here that you can prop up against here and here. Look how well that works. Lightweight, weight savings. But anyway, that tool that you're looking for is right here. You just lift it straight out of that grommet. As you'll see in a second, this thing is actually 2 tools in one. But the first step is you go ahead and, oh, by the way, this is plastic. It looks like metal, but it is not. You go ahead and you insert it into the hole with the security one and you press it in. And it will go in and snap like that. And then you pull it out. And look, you have the cap right there. So part 2 of the tool is you twist this out, and this is the part that goes into the keyed security thing with a 19 millimeter socket to remove it. And with that out of the way, you can just simply push the little cap out that side. So this is what the cap looks like. And in there you can see the keyed lug nut. Ah, Lotus, you crafty devils. All right, from here it's pretty standard. I'm just gonna use the keyed piece and turn it until it lines up. There we go. It goes into our security lug. And just use a breaker bar with the wheel on the ground to break it loose. All right. Now I'm just going to go around to the other 3. It's really weird, but 3. Just going to break these loose with the breaker bar as well. All right, now I'm going to raise the car so that the tire is no longer touching the floor. You can go ahead and remove them the rest of the way. I'm just going to use my drill. Oh, look at that. Pleasant surprise. These are actually nuts on studs. Ah, very cool. And that is what they look like. And here is a close-up of the security nut. So all 4 nuts are removed, and this is the benefits of using wheel studs. Your wheel is still on the car. It makes mounting them back up and aligning them so much easier. So now I'm just going to pull the wheel off, pull it directly away from the car, and roll it out of the way. So here we can see our wheel studs. So reinstallation is just the opposite of removal, but here is some information about your wheels directly out of the manual, and they recommend torquing those nuts from 80 to 85 Newton meters, which is only 59 to 63 foot-pounds, so much less torque than I'm used to on my other cars. If you guys found this helpful or even just entertaining, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. You will be seeing a lot more Lotus content coming up.